Beautiful waterfall, but I'm kind of getting wet right now. Really nice though. Had a lot of fun getting back here. But I had to cross that river and come over here and climb up this rock. So the road's way out there, so it's pretty far back up in this holler. It was worth the trip. There's even lights set up on the cliff there, so it shines up at night. I'd love to come back. I can't get back down. Here's a better view. Falling down quite a ways. I'd say that's at least 300 feet. Huge cliff back here. Marvelous. There's even water falling off of the cliff up there. A nice little hole in the wall back here, though. Maybe I can't get back across the river. Marvelous. I can't remember how I got over here, though. Pretty sure it's through here. Yeah. There we go. Alright, I'm back over where I started. It was really fun though. I'll be coming back sometime.